guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I'm back with a quick tutorial on how to make a easel card. If you watched my Tuesday morning haul, I did a project share of this card here. Today we're going to make an Easter and spring theme card. The fun part about it is it only takes 3 steps. First step for this project is to cut your paper to size. The base of the card measures 11 by 5.5. And the cover of the card will be 5.5 by 5.5. The next step is to fold the card in half this way, and we are going to fold this over to the side. After that, we will apply an adhesive here so we can stick our cover on top. Basically, this fold creates the mechanism for our easel card. So let's put the adhesive and put this together. So now we're going to attach the cover on top. And basically you slide it up. Depending on where your greeting will and what the artwork will be inside the card, it stands up like this. I also want to mat the inside of the card because it looks too plain. So I'm going to use this floral print here. Also want to round off the edges. I like rounded edges on cards, so we'll do that. I think we'll keep the top one square, so it looks like this. So the third step is a fun part, and it is time to decorate. So today I'm going to be using our Easter spring pack from Bo Bunny. So let's decorate. Hope you enjoyed this card tutorial. I'd love to see your creations. Tag me at Karamia's Corner. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time.